Hello, Mark. Right now, I am complete your all tracking in your website, and I can set up tracking fully advanced way in your website. I can track every moment in your website. Okay. Right now, I am showing you it's working properly. That's why I creating a video for you. Okay. Right now, I am testing live in front of you. Okay. And then first of all, I preview the website. This is your Google Tag Manager, and I preview it. I will show you it's working or not. Okay, it's working perfectly and smoothly. And this is your website URL. Connect. Okay, our Tag Manager is connected. Continue. Then I will go. I will show you this event or correctly collect data in Google Analytics 4. Okay. Then I am testing you, and I will show you live. Go to the debug view option. Google debug view. It's connecting. Right now, Google config tag, GA4 config tag is already fired, and I track the every single moment in your visitor behavior. Your visitor, when they can click on any CTA button, I can track it. You can show it in your Google Analytics. Like I can click on this CTA button, explore a new. I click on this button and go to the Google Tag Assistant. It will become just a minute. Just a minute, this is coming. You can see your banner is working properly, and we can also show the Google Analytics it is working properly or not. You can see here is the CTA button is coming. That means it's working perfectly. You can also see page title, page referral, page location, session number, and many other things in here. Okay, you can see. You can also see how many second or how many times they are spending on your website. Like that, I am scrolling your website. Then you can also see that how many times I am spending on your website. Just a minute, this will come also. Here is the I spent in 28 to 82 second, 79 second, 78 second in your website. Okay, right now I am clicking the another button in your website, like view and buy. Okay, I click on the view and buy button, and let's see it's coming or not in your Google Analytics. Okay, and this button is perfectly working. You can see, click CTA button, click view and buy. Okay, you can see every page title, page referral, and many others information in here. You can also see engagement time in here. Okay, then right now I am testing from in your website. You can test other event also, like other button. Every button is tracking perfectly in your website, and every single moment when I am clicking, just a minute, Okay, I am click this button, KBB Instant Cash Offer. Okay, I am click this button, and we show the GA4 it's working or not. Yes, this button is, this event is also come in your Google Analytics, is KBB Instant, and you can see in here user ID also, user type, website ID, and this is the parameter, page title, page referral, page location, session, everything. You can see everything in GA4. Right now I am testing a from in your website. Okay, I am testing the, this is a from confirmability. I click the confirmability. You also show here in confirmability event is coming. Yes, confirmability is coming. Right now I am fill up this form and check it, is it's working or not. I fill up the first name, last name, paste, email address, phone number, okay, and submit the form. Just a minute. Yes, form was submitted, and we can see in Google, and yes, form complete. You can see from booking complete, and in here, okay, that means your all tracking is correctly tracking and is working perfectly, and you can test the other side also. If you want, you can test it. Okay, thank you so much.